Blueberries delicious, nutritious, and full of antioxidants. But did you know that combining them with certain foods could actually harm your health? Especially for seniors, these food combinations may interfere with medications, digestion, or even heart health. Senior health tips: what not to eat with blueberries. Section 1. 1. Dairy products, especially milk and yogurt. First up, dairy. While blueberries and yogurt or with milk may seem like a healthy combo, research shows dairy can actually bind to the antioxidants in blueberries, reducing their absorption. For seniors needing those antioxidants for brain and heart health, that's a big loss. Health tip: if you love yogurt, wait at least 30–60 minutes after eating blueberries to enjoy it. Section 2. 2. Blood-thinning medications, for example, warfarin. Blueberries are rich in vitamin K, which plays a role in blood clotting. If you're taking blood thinners like warfarin, combining them with too many blueberries can interfere with your medication, increasing your risk of clots or bleeding. Health tip: always talk to your doctor before adding large amounts of blueberries to your diet if you're on any anticoagulants. Section 3. 3. Acidic fruits like pineapple, grapefruit, or citrus. Mixing blueberries with highly acidic fruits can lead to digestive discomfort, especially for older adults with sensitive stomachs or acid reflux. This combo may also spike blood sugar unexpectedly. Health tip: try pairing blueberries with oatmeal or almonds. Instead, they balance the acidity and support gut health. Conclusion: blueberries are a superfood, no doubt, but even superfoods need to be eaten wisely, especially as we age. Food combinations can make a big difference in how our bodies respond. Talk to your doctor or dietitian if you're unsure about what foods are safe for your medications or health conditions. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who loves blueberries. And don't forget to subscribe for more senior health tips.